Our main mission is to make you become successful, to change a lot of people's life.
We really want to help every family achieve financial freedom, so no family left behind.
Depende sa'yo because nothing big is easy to do naman. So if you want to become successful, there's no such thing as overnight success.
At tinuturo namin, paano ka talaga magtitipid, paano ka mag-iipon, paano ka magsisave at mag-i-invest na para ma-achieve mo yung mga pangarap mo sa buhay.
Sa tulong ng IMG o International Marketing Group, mapaghahandaan ang kinabukasan at siguradong mahahawakan din ang mga pangarap.
Kapag meron ako na-encourage na mag-join at gawin ang ginagawa namin dito sa IMG, yan tumulong sa tao na maging financial independent, matutunan nila yung financial security. Napakaganda ng pakiramdam, nakaka-excite.
Every time I let people join this company, I give them hope to change their lives and help them to become financially free.
It's a company that gives everybody the opportunity. Hindi tayo namimili kung sino yung magjo-join. Basta kung sino yung may gusto and has the mindset to win in life, they can do it in ING.
For me, it's all about right now giving back to the person. At the same time, it also, for me, it's about mission delivered.
We will help you make changes and make your dreams come true here in IMG.
Marami man ang mga pagsubok na pagdadaanan, mas dumarami rin ang mga taong handang tumulong.